Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and this is a part of an ongoing series that I come back to from time to time, which goes into how we solve simple algebraic expressions, and it explains the rules that we apply. Okay, so here we have 7 minus 8x equals 25. We have to solve this for x. What do we do? What do we move? How do we do so? How do we do that? All of those questions. Right. Well, our aim is to get that on its own. So what's in our way? 7 and the negative 8, which is multiplying this. So when you unpick an equation like this, you start with things like addition and subtraction, and you work your way towards multiplication, division, exponents, indices, whatever you want to call them, logs, and brackets or parentheses. So basically what you're doing is you're throwing the order of operations in mathematics into reverse to try and unpick something. Think of it as like building a house. You don't start with the roof. You start with the foundations. When you take the house apart, you don't usually take the foundations apart first. You take the last thing that went into the house off. And that's how we approach this. So we're going to start here. And what we're going to do is, depending on how you view these things, we're either going to move this 7 to this side of the equation and make it negative, or we're going to subtract 7 from both sides of the equation, and we get negative 8x equals 25 minus 7, which is 18. Okay, now we have, depending on your point of view, we have one or two things left that prevent us from getting x on its own. I prefer to think of it as one thing, and it is negative 8 multiplying x. So, in order to rid ourselves of this troublesome number, what we do is we do the opposite of what it's doing. So, this is multiplying x, so negative 8 is multiplying x. We are going to divide both sides by negative 8. That's a negative 8. Okay, that done, negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. So we'll just write x here, we don't need to write 1x. And 18 divided by negative 8 is negative 18 over 8, which we can simplify to negative 9 on 4. And that is our answer. If you want to see this written in as a mixed numeral, 4 goes into 9 twice, and it's negative, so negative 2, and we are left with 1, which is that. So take your pick. Either of these would be a perfectly suitable answer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.